Yes, I'm so glad to. But be careful, if we're not familiar in this town.
Don't go.
Lola, what are you talking about?
Don't go.
Lola, you're here. I'm so sorry for what my Lola told you guys.
No worries.
Let's go, Lola.
Finally, we're here.
Take a rest, Han. I'm going to prepare our dinner.
Okay, Han. Thanks.
Han, wake up.
Are you done?
Yes. Come on.
I'm full, Han. Thanks for today's dinner.
You're welcome, Han. Just tell me what do you want to eat. Cause it's for our baby.
I'm tired, Han. Let's sleep. And tomorrow is a beautiful day.
I'll just clean this up and we're going to sleep then. Han, wake up. You're having a nightmare. Feel alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Han, I'm so worried about you last night. Can you tell me what is it?
I dreamed about a ghost last night, and I think she wants to tell something. Can we find the old lady and ask her what is really happening right now and what she's telling?
If we don't find the old lady, we can ask her grandson.
Oh yeah, I'm done, Han. I'll just take a shower, cause I feel stinky.
Yes, you're so stinky. Thanks God, you're awake. You fell on the floor. And about the baby, she's gone. She didn't make it.
I'm not your wife. I'm gonna kill you all.
sir.
Yes.
Can I ask something?
Yes, why?
You know Margarita? This woman?
Oh, wait. Oh, yes. I know that woman. Why? Oh, I see. But they go in America, but I don't know why. Small things.
At least, don't bother us again. Don't bother us again.
In the name of God, I am commanding you to vanish in this world and be in peace.
I hope this is peace now.
Ito.
Let's go.